Good morning. Slightly overcast day today. Today I'm going to Cape de la Nau, a short trip from Javea. It's a bit overcast, but I'm really enjoying it today because it's been so hot. It's pretty early in the morning, so there's not a lot of cars around, which is good. But I tend to get out in the morning before the sun really comes up at midday. It's, as I say before, it's just so hot. I know the whole of Europe's having this weather, but I spend a lot of my time in my house with the curtains drawn and the fan on, especially in the afternoons. But you know, I've lived in Spain a while, and I've never known it of this heat. It's depressing in a way. I'm sure it'll soon be gone. It's supposed to brighten up a bit as the morning goes on, and we'll see what happens. Cap de Nau is, if you look at the map I showed you earlier, it's like a tip of a peninsula that sticks out. And of course it's got an old lighthouse there. I don't know if it still works. The sun's trying to come out now. I was at home the other day thinking about where to go today, and then I realised out here in the Costa Blanca there's thousands of places, interesting beaches or mountain rides, or out in the country. Really are spoilt. So today I chose this one. Just about here now. Nice restaurant on the right there. Gets very busy. You can see the lighthouse at the top in the distance. On the way up the stairs, I wouldn't trust that if it was a bit wet on these boards, but when you get near the top, the rocks are so slippy, you have to be very careful. But there's the first view out over the Mediterranean. There's another shot at the lighthouse. If you like this video, perhaps you drop me a like and possibly subscribe. It makes all the difference to me. I'll catch you on the next one.